Alright guys, welcome to the channel, and in this episode we will take a deep dive into a project titled HeyElsaAI. So I just believe that HeyElsa is a project we should look into. They secured $3 million investment innovation on Base, and they are backed by Coinbase and built on this reliable exchange. As we all know that the Base token has been announced and it's coming up very soon. So interacting with this AI, just like how you send a text to your friend, doing WhatsApp, Telegram text, and what have you. So you can do the same using transaction. As simple, you can just instruct the AI. This is what HeyElsa does for you. When the wallet is you connect the AI side to your wallet, you just tell the AI what to do and it does it for you perfectly well, just as maybe sending a text to your friend instructing him to do one or two things. So this AI have the ability to do it for you. You don't need the complex nature of maybe going through the rigorous process of carrying out a transaction. So this AI agent does it for you. So to get started with this AI agent, this is a retroactive kind of tax. It does require money. It's not free. So once you start interacting using funds, you are giving point as reward, and the point subsequently it will be converted to the token. So there are a lot of taxes here that you can do once you get registered. I'll drop this information. There is an information here of which I'll drop. This is just a step-by-step guide on how to get started. I'll drop it at the description of the video for those of you who want to participate. So once you get started by using a referral link I'll drop, if you use the referral link I'll drop, I'll get a little bonus from you using it. That is point, and you also get bonus as well for registering. So I've started today. I did a little transaction. So the first transaction, which is the onboarding transaction that you will do, let me show us what I've done in the history here. If you look at the first transaction, it has to do with I think the bridge builders. You have to bridge maybe ETH on any other chain, maybe Arbitron. For my own case, I use Arbitron. So this is what I did. I just went to the AI. It's just like a test. Maybe you said, okay, bridge, you instruct the AI. Now I'm giving the instruction to the AI, bridge, let's say $12. Let's say, okay, bridge $12 ETH Arbitron. On Arbitron now, I'm giving the instruction to Base. So once you give the instruction like this, just as I've done here, bridge $12 ETH on Arbitron, you can just put on Arbitron to Base. Then you send the instruction to the AI. The AI will kind of give you more details. Just to clarify, your Arbitron balance is approximately, so I don't have enough here, but this is just a typical way of doing it. So once you do it, the AI agent now will bring the option for you to select, right? Deposit, okay, you can bridge, blah blah blah, just like that, as simple as that. Okay, now in my own case here, I've already done the bridging. So what I will do for us to kind of see here now, let me go to my wallet. I need to know how how much I have there to be able to give the instruction to the AI. So I will just give an instruction to the AI to carry out a transaction for me on Base, because my phone is already on Base. So the next thing I need to do is just to give the AI instruction. There are more things I will tell you just to enable you level up. You don't need much money here. For those of you who during the Plum Guidance campaign, for those of you who did those transactions where you were required to do certain number of transactions to get certain badge, I think in the community here we did about 400 transactions to get that particular badge, a day to get a particular badge. So you apply that strategy here so that you will a kind of increase your volume. Because if you go to the point interval, okay, if you go to the point face here, you will see that to get certain points, let me use the last one here. Okay, this volume sprinter row now, or maybe stage now, to get this, which comes with about 1,500 HeyElsaAI points, right? You look at it, is written here. Can I just increase this front? So what you need to do, you need to carry out $500 worth of transaction on the HeyElsaAI AI interface, right? So it does exactly what a DEX does. This AI does it for you. So you don't even need to be a crypto guru. You just give the AI the instruction, and you follow the prompt as it brings it out for you to follow. Now, you don't need to have $500 to build a volume of $500. No, I use like is it $50 now, or 50 plus now? It's not even up to $100 to build. I'm still building. I just say I should maybe do this video to complete it. Now to I use $50 plus or $60 now approximately to build a volume of $455. How can you do it? You do it by swapping to and fro, by a kind of bridging to and fro. So once you do it like that, it increases your volume, just as I will do now here. Now I'll go to home, where I'll chat with the AI, right? So I'll tell the AI, swap, like, let's say, how much do I have? 55. Let me put the dollar sign. $55 worth of 55 USDC, because I already have the coin here. So you must have the coin on your wallet, right? Then to it on Base, right? So once I gave the instruction, but first, mind you, before you start all this transaction, you need to connect your wallet. I'm using Rabi wallet. My EVM wallet is on my Rabi wallet extension. So you need to connect your wallet. Your wallet needs to be connected, because the AI agent now work hand in hand with your wallet. That is your extension. It could be an app or so, whichever wallet provider you are using. Now I'll send it to the AI. Watch how the transaction is being done. It's very simple, right? So even if maybe this is your first crypto experience, you can just do crypto transaction using this AI. As simple as that. Just as simple as sending a text message to your friend via WhatsApp or any of these message app. Could be Telegram, anyone. So you see the AI agent now has the HeyElsaAI has brought the swap option. It has set everything for you to carry on with the transaction. What is the instruction I gave? Swap 55 USDC to it on base. Look at it, has arranged it for me. 55 USDT, you see the base equivalent. So the next thing I will do now, since he has bring out the prompt message, I'll click on the swap, then click on confirm. It will process, send a prompt message to my wallet. Then my wallet now will pop up the transaction for me to sign. It has popped up. Look at my Rabbit wallet now, it has popped up. I'll just wait for it to sign the transaction approving this swap. So at times you just need to maybe my balance now, at times it comes out with a lot of USDT, so you just click on this one to give you the exact amount you are swapping. So I'll click on, right, I think I'm doing more instead of 55, but you can edit it if it doesn't comes out with the exact amount you instruct the AI to do. So you can just edit it 55 USDC, then you click on the confirm button, right? So once the message is approved, the AI agent now will recognize the transaction. At times it may, just to verify, prompt you with another transaction to a kind of sign-in to confirm that this is the actual amount. So at times you may be getting two prompt message to confirm the transaction. At times it may be once. So once that is done, you wait for it to process the whole thing, then transaction successful. So I've carried out this transaction now. My 55 USDT is now on the base network. Now if you use this AI, HeyElsaAI, it will even boost your chances of getting the base airdrop that is coming up, right? So more transaction on the base this thing. There's no way that they won't give, maybe with other things now added together, there's no way that you do a lot of transaction on base that you won't get the airdrop, right? This is what Swap did, you get. And I believe other DEXs will replicate the same thing they did to qualify as a criteria. So if you go to points now, let me show you something that this thing actually works. So you see that I've gotten this road, I've done $500 worth, I've built $500 volume today, and they have given me this point of 1,005. So this is what you will do. You keep building the volume. The volume doesn't mean you get the exact amount they are talking about. It's just your swap to and fro, your bridge to and fro is building the volume for you. Even with $50, $20, you can build a volume of $10,000. So that is how it is. Most of you that did Plum guidance campaign, you understand this volume of a thing. Even let's say you look at this volume shark now. This is another transaction you need to do to get this 2,000 HeyElsa points. So the transaction, the volume you need to view is $2,000. You can use $50 to build $2,000 worth of transaction. Maybe approximately you need to do about 100, 200 swaps. Do you get now? To and fro with that $50 to build this $2,000 worth of volume to get this point. So there are other things that you need to do to get this point. So once you do this volume shark, you do this volume vosager, then you open up this triple play row, which you claim 1,500 HeyElsa points. So like that you keep accumulating this point till maybe when launch now TGE is announced, and you probably will get the airdrop. Like, okay, it doesn't even stop there. They are a kind of I think they are allocating about, They have reserved about 0.25% of their supply for quackers, and most of you are already quacking on X. It's just a social file, just a replica of Kaito. It's just the same thing as Kaito. So you talk about you quack in Kaito now. What you do is you yap. That is, you yap about project you are a kind of you are interested in to get on the leaderboard, so that you will be part of those that will get the airdrop. Sometimes they pick 500, 1000, 2000 top yappers of that project. So you build your mind share. That is the same thing. That is what you will do on Quack chain. Quack is a replica. It's just the same thing of what Kaito is doing. So there are projects that are a kind of on Quack chain now. Let me open it for you. HeyElsaAI is also there, which they are giving certain percentage of their total allocation to quackers now. So what you do on this Quack now, you see a lot of project now. You open an account with them first. You connect your X account. Then if you go to Quacks, you will see let me see, I think I have to get to HeyElsaAI. So this is HeyElsaAI community now, and you see a lot of people are already on the leaderboard here. Let it okay. So this is it now. HeyElsaAI leaderboard. So 0.25% of the supply for top 500 quackers, right? So you need to grind a lot on X to be among the top 500, and as you can see now, the leaderboard is already open, right? So this is the top person. He has about 175 X core. So I've not been yapping, I've not been quacking about them on X anyway, but I have 15 this thing now, X core. But I will do that. I'll start quacking about them seriously as we proceed, because I'm engaging in on the app now, which I'm earning points on the app. So you have to a kind of, with other things that you are doing, just this one is very simple, doesn't require any stress. It's just your phone, and you give the AI the instruction to do whatsoever you want the AI to do based on transaction. So as you can see now, my portfolio is not even big, right? I just have about $60 worth of it on base, $2 worth of this, right? So my total sum here now is $1,384. So this portfolio, the portfolio I built on the HeyElsaAI is not that too big, but total is just this $60 total I'm using. I'm not using $1,385. No, it's just my wallet balance, this particular wallet balance that is reflecting as total here. So you can even use $20 to build a volume of $1,000, $10,000 to a kind of increase your points here. So the next level I'm getting into, I'm at level 0 now. I just started today. I'm at level 0 now. The next level is level I think when I accumulate about 16,000 HeyElsaAI points. So I will keep building, and maybe before the next 24 hours I will be able to ascend to level 1. So you can also start by using any little phone you have just to be on the leaderboard, and maybe we'll pray for the best and we'll get this airdrop. It might be something worthwhile, I don't know, but I'm just doing it, and I understand what the project is building. They are building something very interesting for the normal crypto, or for the normal newbies that comes into crypto, doesn't know what to do. This AI agent is perfect just for you, and as you do that, we keep hoping that the TGE will come up very soon and will get to be eligible for the TGE. So this is all we can take for this section, and don't forget to subscribe, invite your friends, send this link to your friends to subscribe to this channel, and as you do so, thank you very much. Cheers.